Well, everything's okay now? We're ready to ride?
Seems to be not okay.
You sure it's not out of gas or?
No.
And today is another one of those hot days, and it's supposed to go into the mid 80s and be hot and sweaty. So the plan is I'm getting out of here early this morning. I don't know when I've ever seen it go from what it was. I was wearing a leather, full leathers, and the next day it was no leathers. Now and I really have to find what, before this week is out, I got to get me a new Joe Rocket jacket, that light colored jacket. The light colored pants have proven to work perfectly, and I want to get the modern armor more than anything else. That's a whole nother story. But right now I want to get the bikes done, get the bike ready, pre-flighted, get the garden watered, and get out on the open road. And our restored 650 has just been running so well. I've enjoyed having it so much, and with that 500 hours that I spent restoring it, it's all meaningless now, because this bike is, for me, is going to be a keeper, and I'll have this till the day I die. And Luciano wants to plan another 2-stroke day soon. That's coming, I'm sure, very soon. He's got his chain repaired on the NS, and we'll be planning up a 2-stroke day very soon. Oh, the fish are so hungry in the morning. Oh my God. Next thing you know, they're going to be demanding a cup of coffee. And Karen has literally been harvesting from our garden every morning. That's unbelievable how much fun we've had with this garden. This couldn't have been more fun. A farmer's work is never done. Absolutely never done. Well, everything's okay now? We're ready to ride?
Seems to be not okay.
You sure it's not out of gas or?
No.
Did you put that vacuum fuel pump thing working?
There's a possibility there's a back oil.
Ah.
I don't know which cylinder is giving.
You got extra coils at home? You can swap them?
I don't have it. Because the brand new spark plugs, the fuel flow's fine. And I've never had this kind of problem.
So it's ready for a track day. What are you talking about?
It's ready to put it back in the garage.
Let's go get another bike. Oh, I thought these things are all reliable. Made in Italy. Oh my God. Now notice, made in Japan. Hey, there's Joe. Made in Japan, made in Italy. It starts, it runs, but then it dies.
Like, something overheats, and then it shuts off.
Okay, then you let it sit for a few minutes, it starts right up.
No, it starts right up all the time. It's just when you go on the road.
Yeah. Well, I'll stay right behind you. How about this? If I stay right behind you.
Just push him in the back.
Yeah. Now I'll get a rope and I'll tow you. Put the rope around your neck and tow you. Oh, I love old motorcycles. Every day's I could use one less adventure though. Maybe I'm going to start riding with Mark Morgan. Somebody reliable.
At least we got something to talk about.
Oh my God, hey, we will. So Luciano has decided we're going to take a short ride around Greenwood Lake and then go up to his house and either switch bikes or push this one into Greenwood Lake and watch it sink to the bottom. I don't know. Every weekend is an adventure. That's what old motorcycles are all about. You want to just let it cool off?
It cools down a little bit, starts again.
So we made it, what, about 10 miles? We made it 10 miles and it died again, but we're getting closer and closer to Luciano's house, so sooner or later we'll make it home. Oh, let's go get another bike. It just, this bolt, where's that bolt? The bolt is missing. See, oh, here. There's the bolt that's missing. And this was moving when you hit a bump.
Yeah.
That's good. Say, and these things, you don't even see them. We just cut across 2 lanes of traffic and those blinkers are so small. Ah, boy, was that dangerous. And I had the camera running. I don't want to record any of that. All right, now luckily he's got 35 other bikes, so the day is not over. You put one bike in, you take one bike out. Every day is an adventure. There's no such thing as just an ordinary, you get on a bike, go take a ride, come home, feed the puppy, feed the fish. Every day is an adventure. So once again, this guy has been just a joy to ride. Couldn't be happier. Which one are you going to take, the SV?
Yeah, I got to put a couple of those of gas.
Oh, okay. So this is what's nice. Your bike doesn't work, you just come home and take another one off the shelf. Let's see, I'll take a green one, a blue one with gold wheels, or I take the canoe out for a ride. Now that you got room in the garage, you should buy some more bikes.
Sure.
I could rent some space from you. So, it's time for an SV650. Everybody should have a garage full of toys. Oh, see, since he got rid of the car, I could get 2 more bikes in here. The adventure continues. Now we're going to just head out, taking a ride around Greenwood Lake with another motorcycle. lady's going to run out of gas. No problem. Oh, we'll get it in town. Thank you for stopping. Thank you. So guess what? Luciano's bike died. Oh my God. No, no, another different bike. He's not prejudiced. All his bikes break.
He's a mechanic.
Yeah, well, he was. Hey, we still had a good ride. We went and switched bikes and then we had a good ride. So how about a couple of cups of coffee? Big coffee, we'll sit out on the porch. You know what we got to do? We got to head out to Motorcycle Mall. I got to get a summer riding jacket. The jacket is really going downhill. So even though Luciano had some issues with the Ducati today, and we always give him a hard time about it, but he is a mechanic. These things are not supposed to happen. A dentist is always supposed to have good teeth. A plumber is supposed to have a toilet that flushes. What can I say? And my paint supposed to be shiny. So anyway, Karen is preparing some great lunch. We're gonna have lunch on the porch and head out to Motorcycle Mall. I definitely, I looked at how I have a 10-year-old mesh jacket I've been wearing, and the armor is, and I need to get a new jacket. I've been putting it off and putting it off. Today's the day. If they don't have it there, then I just got to order it from Amazon. But here's the best news of all. We are living large here, thanks to the coronavirus workers, and they're hanging tough through all these months. This is actually the 4th month we've been dealing with this, and we're hoping very soon it's over. I would love to get some motorcycles back together with the village market and everything, but I guess we just got to tough it out. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching the videos as much as I enjoy making them. And the video's not over yet. We're going to head out to the mall. And there's always something cool at the Motorcycle Mall. You never know what though. And if you're a newbie to motorcycles, that's the place to be, because everybody runs around oogling bikes, and they bring their girlfriend and go, how will we look on this, honey? You'll sit on the back. How will we look when we look in it? I love eavesdropping on some of the people over there. But it is a lot of fun. The world of motorcycling has room for everybody, and we should all just have a good time. And I do. Well, thanks for watching. So part of today's adventure is we're going to head out to Motorcycle Mall and cycle gear. What I want to try to do is find a set of a jacket to match this set of pants, the Joe Rocket, this silver color. And I'm really overdue for a jacket. The jacket's got zippers that don't really work. The armor's 10 years old, and well, I don't even know if they're going to be open today, but we're going to take a chance. So Luciano, Karen's right here. She's getting ready to write the check right now. Should I get 2 of them? One for you and one for me? Karen, he said yes. Write a check for 2 of them.
This one is for me. It's the right size.
Nice wheels, right, Karen? Okay, Karen says, go sit on it. I bet you'd like to sit up here, right? It's like a lazy boy on the back. Pretty cool.
That's a car.
Not a car, it's a truck. Or maybe you just want to get me a new R1? Ah, no, I like my R1
Nice
better.
color.
I like mine better. Okay, Luciano, here you go. A blacked out VMAX. That is a nice set of wheels. Look at that. Look at that, Luciano. Look. That's perfect. I bet Cole would like that.
Cole would like anything.
How much do you think?
Okay, so Karen changed her mind. She wants me to get a new Katana. Oh, I know Jose wants one of these so bad. Jose, if you had this bike, you'd have everything. People would respect you. I don't know about love you, but they'd respect you. Suzuki, this is a new Katana. Wow. That is a bike that would look good in my garage. Boy, is that I know Ray would like this too. You hear him in the back doing dyno runs, wearing somebody's motor out needlessly. Okay, Joe Roselli's new bike. Look at this, holy mackerel. Everybody's getting a new bike except me. Karen is having so much trouble deciding which bike to buy me for my upcoming birthday. Don't you love listening to those dyno runs? This is something really high tech. Now notice, there's only spokes on one side of the wheel. So imagine the stress there is. Wow. I never noticed that before. Cool bike. So the bottom line is they didn't have what I wanted. Shame on me. At least we got to see a bunch of new bikes. Well, I was sad to see that we were not able to get this jacket, as I did want to try it on, but of course I'll roll the dice with Amazon. That's all I can do right now.